How to accept money requests on Cash App. In this tutorial, I will show you how to accept money requests on Cash App. The first step is to open the Cash App mobile application as you can see here. You will land on the homepage of the app where there are options that you can use to get access to different areas of the app. From there, make sure you tap on the profile option. It is this icon here at the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to the profile section of your Cash App account. On this page, there are various sections where each section has subsections that can be used to get access to more options. After that, scroll down, continue scrolling down until you reach somewhere here on the screen. Here, there is a section named Account and Settings. Under the option, there are more options. From them, make sure you tap this one here named Security Privacy. Make sure you are following the tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. This is the Security Privacy page of Cash App. On this page, there are many different options and sections that you can use to manage and make changes to the security and privacy of your app. After that, make sure you scroll through the different sections that are here. Keep on scrolling until when you reach this section here named Requests. Under the section, there is a toggle button named Incoming Requests. As you can see here, mine is not enabled. So if yours is just like mine too, make sure you enable it. After doing that, then proceed to the other options that are under the toggle button. The first one is Allow All, while the second one is Contacts Only. Allow All means everyone on Cash App can send you requests. On the other hand, Contacts Only means only people in your contact list can send you requests. So, choose the one you feel like best suits your needs. I will choose All. I hope this tutorial has helped you find a solution to the issue you are facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. That is how to accept money requests on Cash App.